Then I think we'll use we'll use a cube again. Scale this upwards, scale it down. And this will be the handle. I'm just going to bring it here just for the moment, and then I'm going to edit the actual handle itself. So we go to edit mode. You want to select your top face right here when it'll let me. Press G to bring it down. E to extrude. Scale it outwards slightly. E to extrude. Scale it outwards slightly. E to extrude. Scale outwards. E to extrude. And then E to extrude again. And then we're just going to start bringing it in a little bit. E to extrude. And there we go. And then just shade it smooth. So now you should be left with something that looks like this. To be honest with you, I'm going to change this one. Put it as the black plastic. So that's one of them. Now we just need the spout at the bottom. So we're going to go with cylinder again. Scale it down. Make that slightly bigger. Now we're just going to place it right underneath. It's going to make that slightly longer actually. I'm going to shade this smooth. Then we're going to select Shift D, make it bigger, and then just take it down a little bit. And that should be our basic kind of little part right there. So I'm just going to change this to glass actually. I'm going to go to edit mode. Take the bottom face right here. E for extrude. Leave it where it is. Scale it inwards just slightly. And then E for extrude just to bring it up. So it looks like a little tap with an end to it. So then we're going to go with the plastic again. So what you should be left with is this. In the end. Yeah, so we have that little part right there. If you guys want to add a screw in the middle, you can do. We need a little bit of a tray going on at the bottom, I think, as well. I think I might just have the tray as one kind of unit kind of thing. So we've got all of this right here. So what you want to do is just select everything that you've already made. And we're just going to move it over. Just press G. Just move it over slightly. And then we're going to go Shift D. And then duplicate it. So that it comes over to this side. And then this square underneath. This kind of default cube. We're just going to adjust it. So that it just fits flushly. And then, magical part, we can make the little tray underneath. So that's your basic shape of everything that should be here. And now we just need to make this tray that's underneath. So just go Shift D, just duplicate this. Then we'll press G, bring it forward, scale it down a little bit. So that we just have this kind of undercurved bit just on the edges of the machine. So once you've got this right here, we're going to go edit mode. Control R, half it. Control R again, half it again. Control R, half it. And then on this bit, we're just going to make a little bit of a square. Control R again. You're just going to want to make a little bit of an indent. That's all we're doing. So edit mode, edit mode. E for extrude. E for extrude again, don't move it. Scale it inwards. And then E for extrude just to bring it up a little bit. So you've kind of got this little tray thing that's going on. Okay, so that is our basic iced drinks machine. That should look like this. So with this bottom one as well, I think I might change this to black. So you've got the same theme with the plastic all the way through as well. You can change the glass if you want to, totally up to you. Just kind of make it less rough, I guess. So you kind of got the plastic going on. So yeah, that's generally how I would do it. If you want to make some patterns on the bottom as well, I mean, like, you could go to add and then mesh and then plane and just place it down here. Scale it outwards a little bit. So that it fits this part just flushly. So on this one we want to make some little bit of a lattice, I guess. I guess you would call it a lattice. Okay, so go to edit mode, and what we're going to do is we're going to right click, subdivide, 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 subdivide. Then what we want to do is go to object mode, go to your modifier, I think it is, let's see, wireframe. Yep. Okay, so, and then go to materials and then select the black material that you had for your plastic. And there you go. You've got a little bit of grating going on at the bottom, some extra detail. You can add scratches and bumps to this plastic as well if you'd like. That's just generally in the shading tab at the top. I'm going to have mine smooth. So yeah, that's your basic ice drinks machine. There is a problem with it though, I feel. Yeah, okay, so this kind of moved out the way. So I'm just going to put that back there. I'm going to Shift D, move that over. I don't know why it's done that, but it has. Yeah, so that's your basic iced drinks machine. You can add some liquid in there if you want to. Just basically use a square and make it slightly see-through.